Hi, this is Rock. We're going to cover MINIFS and MAXIFS from using the same spreadsheet that we were using before with SUMIF and SUMIFS. So I'm going to jump to that for a second and do a move or copy. We're going to create a copy to this MINIFS and MAXIFS. And now let's take a look and see what we can do with the MINIFS and MAXIFS. So if I come over here to SUMIFS and change this to MINIFS, then I should be able to come over here and change this to MINIFS and hit enter. And let's see if this has a min range, criteria range 1, criteria range 2, as opposed to the count if or count ifs, where there was no original range, there was just the criteria range and criteria pairings. But with MINIFS, there is. So we can leave this as it was with the SUMIFS and hit enter. So this 1575 is the minimum. So I'm going to change this to Alex and April, and that is his minimum. So if I take these and paste them down, then you see how 1575 becomes that because it's looking at the minimum of all of these. Now let's change it to say MAXIFS. Change this formula, and it should look at the maximum of all these that meet these same criteria of Alex, April, and meals. So now if I look at Alex, April, and meals, it says 924. I'm going to go ahead and set my filter there and filter for April, Alex, and meals. And you see this whole list. If I do this drop down, it'll show me in order so I can easily see what the maximum is, which is 924.73, which is what we had already calculated using the MAXIFS function. So that's MINIFS and MAXIFS. And next we're going to look at aggregate. It's an important one. See you there.